Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 10. Its title is The Ant and the Grasshopper. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. And we are going to continue reading and understanding of this unit. Yesterday we read a part and today we'll complete reading. And before this, students, we have already practiced looking at the picture, understanding the text. So we'll continue it to use pictures in text to increase understanding. Once again, this is our SLO for today. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Naml, verse 18. Till when they came to the valley of the ants, one of the ants said, "O ants, enter your dwelling, so Suleiman and his army do not crush you unknowingly." Yes, my dear students, I told you yesterday that this beautiful verse is from Surah, which means the ants, right? And this is an incident. And better, this verse is also telling us that ants are smart. You see, one ant is taking care of rest of the ants. Let's hide ourselves in the house so that we should not be crushed. And this is what Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam heard, and he talked to them. So this verse is very important to know about ants, and what we are knowing about ants through a story as well, right? So yesterday we just read a part and today we'll continue reading. Before that, yesterday we practiced to predict the lesson by looking at the pictures. I hope you remember. So let's do it again. So what happened yesterday? Pause the video, recall all the story, and when you are done with that, then come back. Yes, my dear students, you told to your teacher what happened. Like there was an ant, there was a grasshopper, ant was working, grasshopper was sitting, rather he was hoping, and he was chirping, and he talked to ant and said, "Come sit with me, let's chit chat, don't work." But what did the ant say? She said, "No, I have to store food because winter is coming," right? What happened next? So all of you open your book on page number 83. From this point, I'm going to start reading. So the ant was saying, "You should do the same." Okay. What did the grasshopper say then? "We have a lot of food right now." You see, he was so careless and he said, "We have a lot of food." But the ant went on its way and continued its work. Right? Now the grasshopper was not working hard, but the ant was working hard. This is what we learned so far. When the winter came, the grasshopper had no food because he did not store food for winter. It found itself hungry. What does hungry mean? Feeling or showing need for food. Now he had no food, so he was hungry. Look at this. He is hungry and he's weak, hungry and weak. Because when you are not eating, from where you will get energy? So he was weak. And it saw the ant eating. So what was going on with grasshopper? Look at this. Like the winter is there, he did not have food and he's hungry and he's running around. What to do, right? Okay, but what did he saw? He saw the ant eating corn because they were storing it. Corn and grain every day. They were eating it. They were happy. If we do not work hard today, we cannot have a happy life tomorrow. So what do we learn from this? If we want to have a happy life, we should work hard every day. So what happened next? Look at this. Now the grasshopper is weak and he is crying. He's hungry. What to do? And ants are eating. They are having party because they have stored a lot of food for winter. So we should learn from the ants to work hard. We should also work hard, beta, right? So do you understand? This is how, by looking at the picture, by reading the text, we look at the pictures again and again to understand the text. This is how pictures help us to understand the story. Okay, so it's your turn now. Pause the video, read the text again, look at the pictures, enjoy reading, and when you are done with it, kindly come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for our activity. Teacher will show short stories with pictures. Okay, teacher, I brought one of the example for you. You can take the same or you can take stories of your own. And students will answer the questions after reading. So to understand the text, students will look at the picture, and to answer the question again, they will look at the picture. This is what the activity is. Pause the video, enjoy this activity, and make sure every student is going to participate. So when you are done with it, kindly come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now you see, by looking at the picture, you can easily find the answers, okay? So it's time for your comprehension. The text we just read, these are the questions. So tell the answers of these questions to your teacher orally. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Okay, here is your homework. Once again, I brought pictures. You will look at the pictures and you will answer the questions. So this is how teacher kindly make sure, because such type of things needs practice a lot again and again. So you may print it, or you may ask the students to take a print and practice at home. And other worksheet I'm giving you, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice in classroom. So what we have learned today, we learned to use pictures in text to increase understanding. Are we done with it? Yes, pictures helped us a lot to understand the story, right? So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.